Did you know that Boracay just hosted its first ever jigging tournament in history? Today, more than 300 anglers from Boracay and different provinces across the Philippines gathered for the Boracay Fishing Festival 2026, an event that combines competition, community, and a celebration of the island's rich fishing culture.
Joel Andrade here. At the moment, we are here in Bulabog for the Boracay Fishing Festival 2026.
Organized by the Malay Municipal Fisheries and Aquatic Resources Management Council, together with the Boracay Fishing Festival organizers, this event marks the first ever jigging tournament ever held in Boracay. The festival attracted an impressive 310 participants, not only from Boracay but also from various provinces around the country, proving that fishing tourism is gaining momentum on the island.
300 participants, buong Pilipinas.
Anglers competed for major prizes in the heaviest single catch category, with the champion taking home 100,000 pesos. There were also awards for the longest catch, smallest catch, rarest catch, and most catch, while both men were recognized in their own category. What makes this event even more remarkable is that there was no entry fee, making it accessible to both experienced anglers and fishing enthusiasts alike.
Cebu pa?
Oo. Sa experience.
Masaya. Yun, nakakapagod. Lalo na pagka wala kang huling ano. Pero pag may ganito kang huli, siyempre, maganda yan.
May nahuli kayo?
Meron din. Dalawa.
Fellow content creator, Island Boy, kumusta?
Okay lang.
May nahuli ka?
Ano lang, 3 piraso lang yung huli namin.
Nasaya ba?
Masaya naman yung experience.
Anong oras ka next-start?
4 a.m. na.
4 a.m.
Start.
Hanggang buong araw yun.
Buong araw. 4:30 dito na kami bumalik na.
Sali ka pa next year?
Sali ulit. Para magandang experience naman pag sumali sa ganito.
Congrats pa rin.
Salamat po sa inyo.
Medyo,
Hi sir, good afternoon.
kumusta ang ano?
Okay naman. So kanina umaga medyo maganda yung weather. Pero pagdating ng hapon lumakas na yung ihip ng hangin kaya medyo mahirap na maka-strike ng isda. Yung kanina sa akin nakahuli ako 2 scabbard. So ewan ko kung pasok sa longest sana makapasok. Pero kung hindi okay lang kasi nag-enjoy naman tayo. So parang ang dami nakahuli din ng malalaki. So sabi nila talagang dumayo kung saan part ng around Boracay. So nakita naman natin nagbunga naman yung tiyaga nila. So that's it.
So what do you think of the first ever festival?
Okay naman. Maganda yung pagkaka-organize.
Tanong lang.
So marami na rin akong na-attend ng mga
nakakuha ng mga pusit na to?
ng mga tournament. Same thing. Okay yung pagka-organize. Masaya yung
Sa kanya yung wasak.
program nila, yung organizer si Sir yung counselor natin dito, very accommodating naman sila. So if ever na meron sa next year, probably baka nandito pa rin kami.
Ay, parang ayaw nyo.
Ako si Joe.
Magkano, Mayor?
From Romblon.
Pesos,
Okay.
Afternoon.
310 participants, the first time sa Pilipinas, na pinakamarami na nag-join. So marami mga provinces na doon, mayroon Romblon, may Mindoro, Antique, may Cebu, may Negros, Iloilo, so at saka Camsor, at saka Aklan of course. So almost 7 provinces ang nag-participate sa itong first natin na fishing festival.
Ang laki, grabe.
Boracay Anglers!
But the festival wasn't just about competition. One of the highlights was the community fish market, where residents and visitors had the opportunity to purchase fresh catches at very affordable prices.
Maganda ngayon dito sa Joel is itong unique na tinagawin na lahat ng huli ng mga isda ay kukunin ng organizer, which is the LGU, at ibinta natin sa community. So yung less than 3 kilos na mahuli, tag 100 lang per kilo yan. And then 3 kilos and above, tag 200 pesos lang. So unique yan na ating ginagawa dito ngayon sa Boracay. Para naman ang ma-enjoy naman yung community na not only the fishermen or the anglers ang mag-enjoy, but at the same time, ang ating community sa either tourist ka or sa community, yung residents dito, so you can buy. bigyan natin sila para makita nila na kasama pala sila sa itong events na to.
This initiative not only benefits local fishermen, but also strengthens the connection between tourism and the island's traditional fishing industry.
Sa lahat ng nag-organize, congratulations, successful sila lahat. Of course, Boracay no na plano din na magsali next year ay mag-practice na para bumili na ng mga kailangan na gamitin para sa tournament ng mga Fisher Folks Boracay Fishing Festival. And of course, God bless sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat no sa pagkakataong binigay rin sa atin no. Una-una kay Mayor, binigyan talaga tayo ng chance na mapurso itong fishing festival na to. Nabuno naman natin lahat yung mga yung mga prizes natin, mga awards sa tulong ng mga sponsorship, of course sa panguna ng ating Mayor no. Unang-una salamat Mayor sa suporta nyo. Hindi nyo ako binigo. Ngayon masabi ko ng successful yung event namin. Kasama namin dyan yung tourism, no? Napanguna ni Sir Felix sa isa sa mga nagkamada ng mga papers para matuloy itong event na to. Siyempre sa team ko no, sa Boracay Pogi Anglers, kay Toto Melvin Flores, kay Erwin Prado, kay Pogi Roland Tumaob, at saka kay Sir Pogi Vic Villegas, at saka kay Ortegas. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa suporta nyo. Alam nyo kung gaano kahalaga yung event nito sa atin. At alam nyo rin kung paano tayo nakilala sa event na to around the Philippines. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan, marami ng tournament na dinaanan natin, different provinces. So ngayon, isa ito sa hudyat na makilala yung Boracay sa Fishing Festival. Isa uli ito sa magiging event every year, sabi ni Mayor. Na-draft ko na rin yung ordinance. May inamendla ko na ordinance para i-insert itong festival na to sa bawat taon, first week of June. Maraming salamat din sa mga enforcers na nandyan lagi no, nung simula sa una pa lang sa ating MDRMO, kay Ma'am Kat, sa ating Coast Guard, at saka sa ating Maritime, kay Sir Tingson, sa ating MAU, kay Sir Dindrek, at saka kay Sir Jonas. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta, no? Nataguyod natin ng maayos, at ngayon masabi ko ng successful yung event na ito. Simula na ito para sa panibago na event dito sa Boracay Fishing Festival. So, looking forward sa ating second Boracay Fishing Festival. Maraming salamat po.
Boracay is world famous for its white sand beaches, water activities, and vibrant tourism scene. Events like the Boracay Fishing Festival showcase another side of the island, its deep connection to the sea and the livelihood of local fishing communities. As the first ever jigging tournament in Boracay, organizers hope this festival will become an annual tradition that attracts even more participants in the years to come. Congratulations to all the participants, winners, organizers, volunteers, and local government partners who made this historic event possible. If you enjoyed this coverage of the Boracay Fishing Festival 2026, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories, events, and hidden gems from Boracay. This has been Joel Jos Andrada, and this is Boracay at the Moment.